Hi my honey, this is Sogan, you're most welcome. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful Irish crochet lace applique. This video is dedicated to you. So let's crochet together. Start the slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Insert your hook in first chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 1, make 12 single crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, yarn over twice and make a triple crochet in same stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, yarn over twice, skip 1 stitch and insert your hook in next stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and hold. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in same stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and stop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops to make a bubble stitch. Chain 5, yarn over twice, skip 1 stitch and insert your hook in next stitch to make a triple crochet cluster or bubble stitch. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Chain 5 and repeat again. Keep going. At the end of the round, chain 5 and make a slip stitch in fourth chain. I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triple crochet cluster or bubble stitch. Chain 3, go under, go left and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops. Once, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 times. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 until the end. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, chain 3 and go back. Make a slip stitch to make a pocket. Yarn over. Now let's crochet the other side of petal. Yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 until the end. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Remove your hook, insert your hook in this stitch that you worked the pocket and pull through same stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make a single crochet in second triple crochet on top of the second triple crochet. Make 6 single crochets in the space of 5 chains. Make 6 single crochets in the space of 5 chains. My first petal is ready, so for crocheting next petal, make a single crochet in first triple crochet, chain 2 and repeat. Yarn over, pull through first loops once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 times. Yarn over, pull through first loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 until the end, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 3 and make a pocket from back. Make a pocket. Now let's crochet the other side of petal. Yarn over and pull loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 times. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Remove your hook, insert your hook in same stitch. You make the pocket and pull through. Chain 3 and make a single crochet and triple crochet in second triple crochet. If you enjoy my videos, please like and comment so more people can watch my contents. Make 6 single crochets in the space of 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My second petal is ready. Keep repeating. At the end of the round, make a slip stitch in first chain. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for the visit and for the thumbs up. To help this video reach more people, please like it. I hope you enjoy crocheting it. See you soon. I'll be in touch.